Welcome to Awesome Care. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about if not defined directive and say the if not defined directive checks if a macro name is not defined. The directive use this syntax, so like if not defined macro name, and we have here source code. Then we have and if. So this is the syntax. The directive checks if a given macro name is not defined, and if that is the case, the code will get compiled and uh, between the if and in-depth directive. So in our main function, just gonna erase extra spaces, and here we have define our some define some uh, macro. This one is defined, so we're gonna check. uh, okay, so if not defined, some macro which is defined, so we are checking, so this one will not be compiled because that macro is already defined, so we are checking for not defined. And this one is just and if, and we have another one. Here we have if not defined, this will be no macro, and this one is not defined, so the code should be executed. Compile, this will be printed. Uh, and if this, okay, so this one will be printed, this one will be printed, and now we can run our code and check that. So where we are checking for the macro which don't exist, that one, the message for that one gets printed. No macro is not defined, so we are checking if not defined, then the message will be printed or the code will be compiled. So our example defines a macro called some macro, and then check if this macro is not defined here. Since the macro is defined earlier, this portion of the source code is kept. Then we check if this no macro is not defined. That is true, so the our source code get compiled. We can use this directive to define a macro in case it was not already defined, so we are going to define. So let's see, here we do. So it's useful if you want to check the macro is not already defined. If not defined, new macro, then we are going to define new macro. So, so we can say printf macro defined, and we need to end it with end if. So this would be end if, and we're going to add a new line. And we get this message macro defined. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.